If it's worth the hype, let's find out together. I'm gonna try, I'm gonna swatch, we're gonna talk all about this very viral face palette. Hourglass just released 3 brand new face palette and they are so pretty. I'm not gonna argue. I picked this one, it's number 2, and it is very pretty, gorgeous palette outside, but of course all I'm caring about product, which one inside. It's my new Hourglass custom palette. Look at how pretty this is. I love this design. If you're gonna order from hourglass.com, and I believe so for now you can buy this only palette in Hourglass, you can choose your packaging container. Let me open this palette for you inside. Oh my god, look at how pretty these colors. This is its palette number 2. Yes, it's available 3 different shades, number 1, number 2, and number 3. I am light, my skin light to medium. This is why I choose this palette. Again, this is its palette number 2. If you fair or fair light, I will recommend number 1, light to medium number 2, and if you medium, deep or medium, I will go with palette number 3. In this palette we have with you powder, we have with you highlighter, we have with you blush, and look at this blush. This is not your, I will say, so solid plain blush. You can see it's different colors right there. Oh my god, I love this. Of course I'm gonna try bronze, blush, and this looks like blush too. This palette, it's $90. Again, we have with you 3. You can customize your palette. They're available on hourglass.com, $90, and they also have overnight shipping. I believe I pay $16 or $19, I forgot, but they have this option if you really want this, because again, it's a limited edition palette. Very pretty. We have eye, we have lotus, and we have this cute dragon. I actually really like packaging. It's very pretty and I like it's different. It's really different. Let's open and let's see together colors. If you have a long nails, girls, it's not gonna be easy palette to open. I'm just telling you now. We have with you 6 colors. How understand? We have with you 5 brand new colors and 1 brand new. We have with you blushes and bronze. And powders, they keep the same. Let me show you this palette very close to you. I have another palette for you and let's compare. I don't remember that I purchased last year or 2 years ago, and I'll be honest with you, they are beautiful, but I don't know why I own a lot of Hourglass palette. I have 1, I have 2, I have 3, and they looks like brand new. They're good quality, but I'm barely using them. I don't know why, because I have a lot of makeup. Okay, it's our new palette right here, and this is which one I purchased last year. And if you look at close them, they are pretty different. Powder, it's different colors. Bronze, it's different colors. Blush, it's different. If I'll say which one I like right now, I'm pretty sure I like this one, new palette. Of course, I want to jump and try this palette on my face, but let me swatch for you. I swatch for you all colors. First colors, lightest colors in this palette, of course this powder. Then I have for you highlighter, and it's not too shimmer on my hand, but of course I need to try on my face. Then I have blush, another blush, and the darkest color is a bronze. I think the biggest question, did this palette worth the money? 90 bucks. It's a lot of products, but we have with you 6 products in this palette. We have with you powder, $15. We have with you bronze, $15, and we have with you 4 blushes, $15. I think for this quality it is very good price. You go right now CVS or Target, you will see products like $8, $9, $12, but they will be not the same quality. Remember this. Before I'm gonna start this palette, I have little complaint. First complaint, it's very hard for me to open this palette. Second, I wish product little bit bigger, because girls, you will need a small tiny brushes, because big brush like this not gonna really work here. You're gonna make a big mess. Cookie, stop barking, I am home. Let's try this palette. Let's destroy these colors. I know some of you gonna ask me, what are you wearing on your lips? I'm wearing today MAC lipstick, and its name kinda sexy. Today I'm wearing double wear foundation. I feel little bit my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna use a blush brush from North. I like this size and I like how fluffy this brush. Will be perfect brush for the powder. Because I have a large pores, I'm gonna just press this powder on my skin. I don't wanna swipe, I just wanna press and set my area where I need to use powder. It almost looks invisible. I don't see any glow, I don't see any sparkles, and I think you can see a difference. Now this side it's matte and this one it's still very glowing. Yes, I'm wearing double wearing foundation, but it looks glowing on me. Matte, glow inside. And now I need my magnifying mirror. Sorry, after 45 this is what I need, but I really want to see this powder how it sits on my skin. Okay, sits unbelievable how beautiful. It don't look like I wearing powder. Wow, I'm impressed. I like color. I'm serious, I don't feel like I even wearing any powder. Ooh, I think I need to buy a big size of this powder, and I knew it exists in this color. I love it, because I like, even if you say, hi, I don't need all these colors, I will tell you this powder is amazing. Color, soft, light. Girls, you need powder, you will love this powder. Now let's use a bronze. Ooh, and I'm gonna use again brush from North. I love this brush and I hate this brush. It's my complaint again. I really like this brush, but I really don't like design. This is like always looks a little bit dirty and messy. Okay, let's use bronze. By the way, I love this big mirror inside. It's very helpful to me. Okay, let's put a little bit bronze. After bronze, let's try the blush. We have with you 3 blushes and they are very pretty. I love this coral color. It's more pinky color, more blue undertone coral, and this is more like it's between blush and bronze to me. I see here orange, I see here gold. Okay, let's try this blush first because this is very interesting color to me. And I'm gonna apply right here, it's my bronze. I'm gonna apply little bit more. And let's see. Woohoo! Okay, I can see glow here. I see this little bit yellow undertone. I need big magnifier mirror. I'm sorry. I'm serious. This is what's happened after 45. Okay, glow. I do see a little bit sparkles, but you know what? I don't see anything to bring to surface to bring my large pores. It sits really pretty on my skin. And now let's put a little bit different blush. I'm on purpose don't put in anything on my another side because I want you to see a difference. I think you can see a big difference when we're using bronze, when we're using blush, because this is look flat and it looks like more lifted, more sexy, more pretty, and I'm in life. Okay, let's try another blush. Now let's try this coral blush, and wow, be careful because I can tell this is color really pigmented. I little bit remove products from my brush, and now I'm gonna apply this coral color, and I pushing this color little bit up. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh, I like it. But I think I wanna add a little bit more. This palette have a very pretty highlighter, but I think it's a little bit dark for me. I have a big Sigma brush. This is number E40. Now let's try this highlighter. Ooh, this highlighter feels so good. Okay, right here it's my contour bronze, right here it's my blush, and now I'm gonna apply this highlighter. Ooh, I don't think it's dark. I think it looks so pretty. Wow, I love this highlighter. Okay, look at one side and another. It's like flat and pale, and this is so like I like it. It's so pretty. You know what? I know a lot of people using this palette is eyeshadow. Let's try. Okay, something very easy and quick. I have a big blending brush. First we're gonna use a bronze, and I'm gonna apply right here, kind of like on the center of my eyelid. Just big blending brush. All what I do, just little bit blend. Just this one bronze on my eyelid. It's already looks so pretty. Give me this nice beautiful pop. Then I'm gonna just use my finger and I'm gonna use this highlighter. Oh my god, look how pretty this highlighter, just in center of my eyelid, and I pushing this highlighter a little bit to the corner of my eyes. So pretty, so easy. Give me this nice beautiful pop. I like this. I'm gonna use same big blending brush from Sigma. It's number E40, and let's use this coral eyeshadow. I want my blush and my eyes to connect to each other. I apply this blush to where is my socket area. This will give me nice beautiful pop, and my blush now connects with my eyes. And let's finish this eye look with Clinique Black Honey eyeliner. It's not your black eyeliner. It's your brown burgundy color. I love this color. It's very hard to find color like this. This eyeliner stays so good. And Also, they have brand new Black Honey Mascara. Ooh, should I make a video with whole entire Clinique Black Honey collection? I think it's a good idea. And I'm finishing this eye look with Lancome Eyeshadow Mascara. Good separation, lean, curling mascara, and I love it. Give me a nice, beautiful volume. What do you think? Wow, what do you think? I think it's so beautiful palette. Again, look at this side. I don't have any powder here, no bronze, no blush. I look flat, I look old, I look tired. And this side, it looks so pretty. I will not say this side it looks too much makeup. It looks very soft and subtle. I see glow. I love this palette, not just for the face. I like on my eyes. It looks so natural and beautiful. Again, this is it's your limited edition. If you like this palette, hurry up because we'll sold out very fast. Love you more than ice cream. If you are new to my YouTube channels, please subscribe. I need your help. Comments below, and I will see you in my next video.